Where's your pad? It's right there. Before the sod got laid, it rained 7,000 inches.
Are you sure you didn't just shovel dirt around the thing?
No, there's a pad there.
Donald. Andy shoveled dirt around.
I did not, Donald.
This.
I did not. The pad is
Donald knows.
right there. You shut your
Donald
yapper.
knows. Donald knows. Donald knows.
Donald, there's nothing. Hold up. Let me turn this where Donald can see it. There we go. There's nothing wrong with this unit. It was not laying on its side. It's in great shape. Ready to. I'm gonna bring that one back. If it's still in one piece when it makes it to your trailer. Hey, my torch hose, jack wagon.
There it goes. Let's tear down.
What we're gonna do is this one still kind of runs, so we're gonna see if we can pump it back into itself. Quit. Come on. Come on. Fixing to stop. She's gonna die. It just died. Pull it out. All right. Now, let's get all this loose. How's that fan feeling?
Feels good.
Yeah, I can't feel it at all. That's how much I'm taking care of you on this job. I'm gonna give Donald this one back so he can at least get like fan motor and some stuff like that out of it since he gave me that one.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe it'll still be in there.
Oh.
I'm serious.
Bring it back to him. It's just a sheet metal shell.
Hey, Donald, here you go. Compressor runs for about 2 minutes.
Yep.
You already told him that though, didn't you?
Yeah, he knew.
Well, there goes the trade-in value.
Yeah, I mean, I know he knows us, but I'm pretty sure he knows we wouldn't be doing this for funsies.
No, this is not a fun project. This just happened to be Andy's air conditioner went out, and obviously we make YouTube videos, and this is not slowing me down because I'll be doing it at this pace anyway. So we just took the opportunity to do it.
And figured we'd vid you this here change out, a little entertainment, something different.
Might as well.
Matt used to do this.
I haven't done this in years.
All the time. I've done a few with you.
Yep. What did I do with my channel, my Chanel locks?
They're right here.
Well, what?
I was getting things off of that, so it could
Like
be
working with my brother's kids. Jeez.
You have 17 children at home.
Yeah. Yeah, I do. Love every one of them. Hey, Si, Luke, William, and Elena.
That's right. You better give your own children a shout out, but even above all that, you know who deserves a shout out?
Miss Jessica.
Mm-hmm. She put up with you, then decided to let you have some kids.
So let's be honest. Let's talk about everybody else that put up with us. You know, Clay and Sherry put up with us.
Clay and Sherry do put up with us.
My father puts up with us.
My mom and dad.
Your mom and dad.
Mama and Daddy pretty much just keep us on the prayer list.
Yeah.
But they got our wives' names on the prayer list ahead of ours.
My mother, she's looking down from above saying, good Lord.
Yeah.
I thought that boy was smarter than that, but she knew. She knew.
Yeah.
She knew.
Kind of like Luke, you know. You know Luke is gonna be the troublesome one.
Get out of here! You're gonna love this part.
Really? It's got to go. Yeah. That wasn't hard to lay all that sod in the middle of the summer. It's fine. It's fine. You're as good as those people that build brick fences around their units on 3 sides. To fly it in with a helicopter. Are you gonna have to take that down and work on it? Yes, ma'am, because you put it this far from it. Sure am. You're a mean air conditioning man.
Wanted to hide the unit.
Yeah, I'm not trying to, regrow my yard after all the concrete work and the swimming pool and stuff. It's wow. Hold up. Wait a minute. Do you want any help with that? I mean, you can act like you're helping. Got it. Yeah, Donald was already calling me today about the unit, asked me if we'd put it in. I said, no, buddy, we're still working. But matter with me, he just wanted to make sure it was good still,
Yeah.
He's good peoples.
Yeah.
Old Donald Wayne. He's always out moving around doing stuff,
Yeah.
being an air conditioning feller and whatnot.
What you gotta do?
Now, if there was ever a human being that could be a real life Shrek, it'd be Donald.
Have you told him that in person?
Yeah, I tell him all kinds of stuff in person. Donald. He knows. His fingers, his index finger's that big around.
I hope you don't thump me.
That big around right there. I ain't no joke. He could open hand slap a grizzly bear and probably break his neck. I got video on my phone. Matter of fact, I'll see if I can dig it up and I'll throw it in right about now. Donald will reach up and grab a wasp nest and crush it. Holy crap!
He's crazy.
He is crazy.
Scoot it back a little bit and get it in foot.
Yep. You want to?
I want you to bring the unit forward.
Yeah. Do you want to put a little twist in that, make it easier?
Go ahead.
Okay. Watch your digits. And when you're heating that, what are you looking for?
The copper changed color.
Yeah.
Kind of bluish. And you see the copper color come back. See about that. That's it.
What are you doing there?
I can pull a vacuum on it.
And why is that necessary?
Gets all the air out. Water boils in a vacuum, I think, at 75 or something degrees, if I remember right. It just gets all the moisture out. Moisture is the enemy.
I'm sure somebody will tell us in the comments.
I'm sure somebody will correct me.
Twist that sound. Make it recuperate a little better, maybe. Is that in your way?
No.
That's a professional tape job right there. You won't find that around the corner.
Every service technician does this on your stuff. Delicious. Better get a new.
About how long do you wait once you pull the vacuum just to...
Not long. You really don't want to. You can tell with a vacuum, but you just wait a little bit because if you want a pressure test, you do it with pressure.
No kidding. Pressure test, use pressure?
Hold on. You can do it with dry nitrogen and a little bit of Freon, so your leak detector will pick it up, or with soapy bubbles, if you see a bubble. Thanks for letting me finish what I was saying.
That's what I'm good for.
Hoses. I've got to check out Vice Grip Garage. That guy is awesome. It's a joke. It's a funny one. Si would tell me. Si told me the other night. He said, "Daddy, you know Batman and Superman have abs. If you had abs, you'd be scary too." I was like, "I am scary. Have you looked at me?" He said, "You're not scary to me, Daddy." I said, "I'm not supposed to be scary to you."
Boy, if you had abs,
Yeah.
you'd be terrifying.
I mean, he's probably right. Instead of the fat.
You're not fat, you're doughy.
That doesn't sound any better. I'm calling Bled and telling him.
Don't you tell me, Lid.
Get the Borkster on you.
No. Borkster's our friend, and don't you tattle on me to Uncle Ed. Say that again, Mr. Perfect.
I seem to have forgotten.
Mm-hmm. What'd you forget?
The dryer.
And what's that one that's in there?
It's a dryer.
Mm-hmm. Does it do any good?
Mm-hmm.
You sure about that?
Mm-hmm.
Does it just make it exhaust sound better, or has it got anything in it? Wow. You wait till I tell Miss Ashley what you did.
I wish you wouldn't.
I'm not.
Don't tell Donald either.
You just told Donald.
Maybe he won't watch.
Donald's gonna watch. Donald watches every one of them.
Maybe he won't.
He's gonna.
Yep. I forgot. What do you pay me to do this?
It's fine. We're at 13.7.
Yeah, it's gonna come up some if I put more gas in it.
Right. Well, that's because the compressor's loading up, right?
Got good head pressure.
Sitting
Frost
on,
will leave that line when it's getting close to right.
yeah. It's on what, about 225 on head pressure?
That's
Ish.
about
250. I'm looking at it from an angle.
240. It's real hot in the house right now too.
Yeah, it's 83 in there. You fixed it, didn't you, cousin?
We did all right.
It's done.
You're gonna have cool air now. You got it going.
If we'd have had that 45, you'd have had it done about an hour and a half.
45.
The 45?
Oh yeah, the 45. I thought you meant like a Colt 45 with 2 zigzags or something.
Maybe that's all we need.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
well,
gonna go home now. See my wife and Cheerins.
yeah, they probably want to see. They probably miss you.
Appreciate y'all watching.
Yeah, we do.
We'd like you to hit the old like button and the notification bell and subscribe and all that stuff.
You need a prescription to this.
Yeah.
It'll do you good.
It's about 6:15 and
Over here in the time warp, it's roughly tomorrow.
I'll just go across the river.
All right, see y'all.